Can you hear me?
Yes, you
Oh,
can.
great.
Go
Hi,
ahead.
my name is Maggie.
Nice to meet you, Maggie. My name is Jaffer.
Jocker?
Jaffer. Yeah.
Jaffer. Okay, good. How are you today?
I'm doing great. I'm kind of sleepy, but I don't know. I was planning to take a nap, then I remembered that I have some minutes to consume.
So instead of
So
taking a nap, you're
I'm
practicing
const-
English.
yeah.
I like that. I think that's a
Yeah, well,
good choice.
yeah, maybe yeah, I'll take the nap later after this conversation.
Why are you
So
so
what about
tired?
you? I don't know. I went to the gym this morning. I trained and I don't know, I just need some sleep to kind of recover some energy
That makes sense.
so I can go out at night with friends to a cafe or something.
Where do you live?
I live in Morocco.
And is everything open there? You can go out with your friends?
I don't know, on TV, they are always saying that there are restrictions, but when you go to the streets, it's different. People are walking around, going to cafes, and yeah,
Do you have to wear a mask when you go on the street?
yeah, I don't know, it's illegal to go out without a mask,
Yes,
or
it is.
most people are not wearing it.
Oh, really? Where I
Yeah,
live, it
they
is
just put it
also.
here.
Oh, you
They cover their what do we call this place?
chin,
Joe or something? Like that?
chin.
Chin. Yeah, they cover their chin and they leave their mouth and nose
Then
open.
why do they wear it? I don't understand why people do that.
Yeah, just remove it.
Exactly. It's not doing any good. You're protecting your chin. Your chin is very
Yeah,
safe.
some people. Yes, some people are wearing it here or
Oh.
here.
It's become a fashion accessory.
Yeah, just in case if they see the police, they can put it.
Oh,
And
I see. I live
so
in
if someone
Mexico.
asks them about the mask, yeah, and how is it going there?
Very good. Everybody is wearing their mask. The only people I see not wearing a mask are tourists from America.
Yeah.
But
So Americans are the virus.
yes, I'm Canadian, so
You see?
I skipped
Yeah,
over the
thanks
US.
God.
I went from Canada to Mexico and I skipped over the US.
Yeah. And so people are respecting the rules, the
Very much. Everybody
instructions of the
who,
government.
yes, I think also because the police can be very aggressive here, so it's better to listen to the rules. Um, and people are very nervous because the hospitals they're not bad, but they're not amazing. So getting sick is a very
Yeah.
big deal. So everybody is careful. If you go into a store, they put alcohol in your hands and they take your temperature.
Yeah.
Everything is very good here. In Canada, 1 month ago, I was in Canada, and you don't have to wear a mask
Mhm.
anywhere. It's not
Yeah.
mandatory.
Yeah, people are there, I think, are fighting against this. I don't know. They don't like this rule of, wear a
More,
mask. You have to wear a mask. And
more
some
in the
people don't
United
like it.
States. In the United States,
Yeah,
people are
maybe, yeah.
very fighting against it. In Canada, it's not so much a fight, but the government has not pushed about the masks. There are 2 or 3 places in
Hmm.
Canada where they had a lot of cases of COVID. So those areas, they
Hmm.
made it mandatory for masks. But the rest of Canada is like,
Hmm.
it's not so bad.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, here also people, when you go to a cafe, they take, they measure your temperature. You have the spray, something on your hands.
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't know what is it. You just
I know. I don't like that. I like my own
Yeah.
alcohol. Sometimes I'm like, it's sticky. What
And
is that?
sometimes you put a lot, then you keep doing that just to make it dry, you know. Or
Yes,
maybe you
and
go to the toilet and wash your hands
some
because
of them
you
smell
sprayed a
very
lot.
bad too. I don't
Yeah,
like
you
the
cannot
smell of
stay. Yeah.
them. So
Yeah,
what?
so where are you from Canada? Okay, I was
Oh, sorry. I am from Vancouver.
Vancouver.
Yes.
Okay.
It's the most western and southern part of Canada. So it's the
I
warmest
don't
part
know
of
much about
Canada.
cities in Canada. I
It's
know
in,
Montreal, just Montreal, I think.
yeah, so Montreal is in the
But other
East Coast.
cities, I don't know about them.
Montreal is in the East
Yeah.
Coast, and in the winter it is very cold and they get a lot of snow. Vancouver is in the West Coast, and in the winter it just rains and maybe a little bit of snow. And I don't like being
Yeah.
cold, so I came down to Mexico.
Yeah. So you're a summer person. You like
Yes,
in the hot weather, going to the
yes,
beach, swim.
yes. I will never go
Yeah, nice.
skiing. I don't like the snow.
Maybe, I don't know, surfing is
Yes,
much better.
I go kite surfing. Do you know what kite surfing is?
Kite surfing, yeah.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
So I do kite surfing a little bit. I'm not very good, but I like to kite surf sometimes.
Do you live in a coast city in Mexico?
Yes, I live in Playa del Carmen, so it is on the East Coast in the Caribbean side of Mexico.
Yeah. I have a friend from Mexico. I don't remember from where she's. I don't remember.
Mexico is big, so many people live in Mexico City in the middle of Mexico. Here is
Yeah.
a lot of people from other parts of the world live here, Canada, America, Europe. Lots of Italian people
Yeah.
live here.
Yeah, I've talked to so many tourists, and some of them are from Mexico, others maybe Costa Rica, some are in Brazil. Some
We're
teachers
all
were
from North
from
America and we're
England.
trying to
I
escape
don't
the
know.
cold.
No, some of them were from England, and maybe
Oh,
they
yes.
moved there because they have a girlfriend or something like that there,
Hmm.
and they moved there to live. Kinda in a vacation, summer vacation, not holidays. But I canceled it because of the restrictions on my city. The beaches are not open. I cannot go to the beach, so I just call. I'm coming to work tomorrow. Then I just
Yes, there's no
started
point in
working.
taking vacation if you can't do anything.
I can do, but I have to sneak out of my city.
Yeah, that's
Because whenever you
complicated.
try to go out here for your city, they ask for your ID. Then they see, you're from this city, you cannot go. And people from other cities, they can, which is not fair.
Yes,
So yeah,
I would like to go back to visit Vancouver, but right now, if you go into Canada, you have to spend 14 days in quarantine. So I don't want to go
yeah.
visit
I
right
think.
now.
Oh yeah, I think that's if you traveled anywhere, you have to stay 14 days in quarantine.
In
Some
Mexico,
people are not.
no, in Mexico, they don't even say anything. When I came home last time, I stayed 14 days in quarantine because I want to be respectful of everybody's health. But
Yeah,
it's not mandatory here. In Canada, they will check. They go to where
yeah. They
you
will
are
call
staying.
you
Yeah,
maybe.
They check on you, so you have to do 14 days. And that's a long time. Usually I only go visit for 10 or 14 days, so
Yeah.
it
Yeah,
doesn't
so
make
you're
sense.
gonna spend your whole, vacation in quarantine, not doing
Yes,
nothing.
it doesn't make sense to go. I
So
would be by myself.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I rather stay
It's
here. But
nonsense. You're just
here is the same. I cannot go to the beach. The beaches are closed.
are closed, really. What
Yeah.
about the pools, the private? I don't know.
I have a pool in my apartment building and I am allowed to use the pool. But
Yeah,
only if there's already so many people down there, then I can't go. You can only go like so many people in the pool area.
yeah, I
So
understand. Maybe do you have an exact number of the people that can be
I think it's
in
6
the
or
pool?
8 because it's a very small pool. And then they tell
Mm-hmm.
people you can only go in the pool for 2 hours. So if then somebody else can go.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
So someone else can also have the opportunity to
Yes.
enjoy.
But right now there is a lot of empty apartments in my building because
So,
many people left when the pandemic started or
mm,
they're not coming for a vacation. So the pool is never busy. I can go pretty much
yeah.
anytime. Yeah.
Yeah, there isn't much people. You're lucky. You're the only
Well,
one who stays there.
yes, it's good for that. But my other job, I don't have any work because there are no people coming into this area right now.
Yeah. And what are you doing beside? Are you just teaching English in Mexico, or
No, so I teach
do you have
English.
any kind
Uh,
of other job?
My other job is I am a fascial stretch therapist.
Oh, stretch.
Yes. So fascia
Yeah.
is
I
the
tried
connective
to do some
tissue.
stretching. Oh
You
my
should
God.
always stretch. Stretching is important.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So I work with people and help with their flexibility and injuries and things. But right now there is no work because the economy is so bad. Nobody has any money to come and see me.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
So
You're
your
lucky
business
you still
is
have work.
one of those. Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
lucky. I prefer to stay home.
Yeah.
But but still gain money. Yeah.
Oh, I think we would all like that.
Yeah.
I would like
It's
that.
much better like that. And I've read that there is difference between I don't know. There is flexibility and mobility.
Yes,
They are two
flexible.
different things.
Yes, they are.
Yeah, I watched some videos just to get an idea about it, and I didn't get it because they seem they're kind of the same. I don't know.
They overlap. They are similar. You need flexibility to have mobility, but
Hmm.
flexibility is how far back I can put my arm. That's how flexible it is.
Yeah, I
Mobility
understand.
is about constant movement.
Ah.
So
Hmm.
flexibility
Okay.
is a stretch in the muscle. I maybe would be flexible, but if I don't have mobility inside my shoulder joint, it
Yeah, you
can't
cannot do
move
a
very
lot of.
well.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, so that's the difference. I hope that
Yeah,
helps.
maybe I need another class with you to understand all this kind of stuff.
Yes,
So
we
in
can
eight
talk about
seconds.
what we can talk about whatever you like. I hope to see you again
Yeah.
sometime.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, nice to meet you.